Please check if any accessories are missing. Use a wrench to loosen this nut. The chain has two directions. Please ensure it is installed in the correct direction. Please make sure the holes on the guide bar align with the chain tensioning screw. Tighten the nut with a wrench. The chain is too loose, you need to tighten it. Use a screwdriver to tighten this screw to adjust the chain tension. You can adjust the chain to a suitable tension. If the chain is too tight, it could damage the motor. Once you've finished the installation, please double-check if the chain is installed correctly. If it's in the wrong direction, you won't be able to cut. Install the battery onto the chainsaw like shown in the video, ensuring that the battery is properly locked into place on the chainsaw. If you press the chainsaw switch directly, it will not start. You need to press both the safety button and the switch at the same time to start the chainsaw. Press the red button on the battery and then remove the battery as shown in the video. When you need to charge the battery, you need to plug the charger into the battery, just like shown in the video. When the charger is plugged into the socket, the light will be green. When the charger is connected to the battery, the light will change from green to red. Once the battery is fully charged, the light will change back from red to green. It is normal